Hey everyone, I'm Sugandha and you're watching Ready to Get Update, and welcome back to my channel. And yes, today we are going to discuss what? We are discussing few queries, your queries, my answers, and in that series only, I would be answering some interesting queries. I have answered this kind of queries earlier as well, but still I'm getting this query, so I would be answering this. I posted one session. I uploaded one session actually regarding the career switch where I have discussed my insights on career switch, as I have switched my career from CA to HR. And after switching the career, I have told you that what things I have realized. That what things we should consider while switching the career. Okay, and there I have mentioned first, that is lack of planning. Second, if you're comparing yourself or if you're bored with the current profile and then you're switching. And third is if you must value time. Okay, so I have discussed these points in detail, like how you need to consider all these points while switching your career. Okay, so in that sequence only I got a great comment over there, and I can say that yes, that person is a little bit confused or he's taking time to switching his career. Okay, so I would be reading that query. You can see that session from the pin comment, like your answers and my like your queries and my answers Q&A session. Okay, so you can check those sessions because they're helpful. These are your queries, comment section queries, which I'm answering. Okay, so let me read this. Kindly throw some shadow. If in this case comparison is the reason that is making me escape from switching, then switching can be a wise choice or not. Also, I'm currently in software development, as I get understand concepts clearly, but it feels like coding is something that I cannot pursue for more time, and also cannot think out of the box in the same field, which can hinder my growth in software development. So in this case, is it wise to switch the career? Lastly, about the value of time, I'm considering switching careers in such a way that I can pursue formal education, and it's okay if I have to prepare for switching careers and spend 2 or 3 years in the same. Then switching is wise or not? Kindly help me out, as I'm on the extreme of 2 points right now. Your advice is highly appreciated, ma'am. Thanks again for the same. Now, this is really an interesting query. Why? Because even I was feeling the same thing when I was switching my career. I was thinking that I have given so much time to this present career, and now switching to another career, and that too at a later age, or you can say after so many years, is quite risky, or I have a lot of things in my mind, as this person has. Okay, so I'm getting such queries more often. I used to get these queries earlier, and now also I'm getting these kind of queries, because this is basically a decision, a long-term decision. If you're switching, you can't switch after every year or after every 3 or 4 years. Okay, so let's understand this, and I really say that yes, it's really commendable, and that you are taking so much time to carefully considering your options. Okay, so let's break down these things into different aspects, and let's discuss each aspect. Okay, so you will get now the screen and you can see whatever I'm saying. So first of all, see, I would like to discuss about the comparison as the motivation for switching. So yes, it's common for individuals to consider career changes based on comparisons, but it's crucial to ensure that the decision is driven by your own values. I always focus on own values, interest, and career goals rather than external factors. So reflect on what you genuinely enjoy and find fulfilling in your work. If the motivation for switching aligns with your personal and professional aspirations, it could be a wise choice. Always a wise choice. Okay? Now let's understand another thing. Transition from software development. Now you're talking about the transition from software development. So feeling that coding might not be a long-term fit for you, and recognizing a limitation in thinking outside the box are valid considerations. Okay, so if you find yourself more drawn to other aspects of the work, or you can say different fields, it might be worth exploring those areas to see if they align better with your interest and career goals. What you can do is you can assess the skills you enjoy using, and those you want to develop further. Okay, now pursuing formal education, and you said about the time investment. Investing time and effort in formal education for a career switch is a significant decision. Now you need to consider the following before doing it, while doing it. Research the new field thoroughly to ensure it aligns with your interests and goals. Evaluate the value of the formal education in the chosen field. Will it significantly enhance your skills and marketability? Weight the potential benefits against the time and financial investment. Okay? And plan your transition strategically. Very important, you need to plan it strategically. If possible, explore opportunities to gain relevant experience while preparing for the switch. Okay? So, I hope so. You are understanding where it's going. I am discussing each and every aspect as questioned by you. Okay. So, last I will say, okay, balancing passion and yes, pragmatism. So, find a balance between pursuing what you are passionate about and being pragmatic about your career goals. Okay. You need to be pragmatic about your career goals and what you are passionate about. So, consider seeking advice from professionals in the field you are interested in, exploring informational interviews, or even taking on small projects or internships to gain a better understanding. Now, yes, you will say that yes, you want to switch career into HR and you're talking to me. Yes, you are talking to me. You are asking questions to me. But yes, you can explore other aspects as well. Explore more about this profile, and if it's relate, as I have discussed earlier also, if it's relate with your passion, interest, and your career goals, then yes, you can go. And yes, internship is always a better way out. So yes, if I have to summarize, I will say switching careers can be a wise choice if it aligns with your passions, again, interest, and long term goals. So it requires careful planning, research, and a realistic understanding of the new field are crucial. So, if you're willing to invest the time and effort needed for a successful transition, it can lead to a more fulfilling and rewarding career. Okay. So, yes, I will definitely say it's okay to be at crossroads and seeking advice and taking time to switch career or taking time to plan your career and taking time to plan your career goals, even. Okay. Take your time to explore and weigh your options before taking a proper decision. Okay. So, I hope so this was clear, and I can write all this in the comment section as well, but I would like to tell you face to face all this, and I would like to show something as well so that you can have a screenshot and so that you can note down what all tips are there. Right. So yes, I'm definitely looking for some great comments and from other people as well. And I think I have sorted your query as well. In case you have any other questions similar to this or different, so yes, you can definitely write, and others as well. So please check pin comment for different sessions, for multiple sessions. I have posted a lot of sessions on career, job interviews, human resource, so you can check them. And there is NHR course. Please check the session as well. Okay. So till next video, all the very best. Stay happy, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.